No, come on. Out. Mattis, out. Let's go. Go. Wait. Started with established rates.
Gentlemen of the press, I came here this morning to see for myself what happened yesterday. It's really unfortunate, but we give God all the glory that no life was lost and the damage was on just a section. It's like the Secretariat has a crèche that takes care of babies. So I think it's that section that had that was affected by the fire. But there's one thing very important now. We've been talking about the renovation, the refurbishing of our very famous Secretariat. And I believe with this particular incident, there won't be any reason not to continue it anymore. Whatever is required by this government to commence that process, we will immediately swing into action. I want to thank the civil servants for their support, more especially. You see, when governments make investments, people don't understand what they are doing. Before the emergency rule, we took our time to invest in fire service. I wonder what would have happened if we didn't have a formidable and functional fire service. So we'll continue to do those things that we know will continue to lift Rivers people and make Rivers people happy. Thank you.
With the establishment by the time but there is an office before us. When we came yesterday by 6-7, we met the incident. There was nothing we could do. Everything.
So the damage is only
The crutch, yes.
Did it affect the first room?
No, it didn't.
Okay, so our records in the first room. Yes. That major officer.
Yes, sir.
Maybe they have made it.